shall bring victory.
You asked for it.
I assume I hold on to the Sheepsea. Seems like a good early game keep. Oh yeah. Oh, the scientist is crazy. I hate playing against this little douchebag. Do I just kill it? I know that seems just so weak.
I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm not gonna run him out just to get my secret started.
Yeah, it's quick break. It's quick break. Because it's 7:34. I want to get this thing done at 8. Segment 2 done at 8, and then 8:25, I'm out.
He was out like a light bulb.
Thrilled to hear it, Hunter 2. What do I have against Zombie Chow? Oh, it just makes my turn 1 so awkward. So awkward. Got some sheep, some doom saves. Tip 6 says, is there anything you do to make you feel more motivated? On my final year of university, I'm starting to be lazy and not do work and lose motivation. Any tips? Yes, I do. Tips. I have them. Go to bed at a reasonable hour. Eat a breakfast. Get a reasonable and healthy lunch. I think I want to do this one first. Doink. I think I want the Arcane Golem. It's just a removal spell. I don't want the Kirin Tor Mage. Drink a lot of water. Be very regular with when you eat and when you go to bed. Drink alcohol less. There you go. Eliminate bullshit activities.
Is someone injured?
I have bullshit activities that I just do. Let me go check the front page of Reddit again. That didn't help me with anything. Didn't do much for me. I think I'm just chucking the Doomsayer out. It's gonna be hard for him to kill this. That helps a lot. The other thing that helps me a lot with motivation is just scheduling. I get a lot of stuff done in a day because I'm scheduled. I get to work around 10, work until 6. Almost always do a call at 6 on my way home. Come I do the show around 8:45, 9, done with that, and then I'm free. Also coffee. Coffee's another really useful thing. Welcome to the grand tournament. Herpty-nerpty-snoopty-doo-doo-doo. No! Don't. No! And then he's gonna go healing! Oh! What like a fucking douchebag. Let's see. So I play it in this order. When these are killed, this dies, and then this dies, so duplicate comes up that I can use for sweet swag and rag and roast. But I don't even know if I want to do that. That's kind of... Durepper says, don't you ever feel the longing to just throw out the schedule for a day or two? Oh yeah. Absolutely. And I totally do. But I mean, even now, I'm starting to schedule on my weekends. Like, my current favorite thing is like, alright, well, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I could go for 2 of these. This is probably a better thing to go for 2 of.
I got it.
It's a weird one. It's gonna hit like this and then get a huge Pyromancer. That's what I would do. I love it when my Pyromancer gets huge. Yeah, like during the middle of the day, going to the coffee store and reading comics. Because I own a lot of comics. I own a lot of comics that I haven't read. And there's a scheduled time, and I actually feel like I achieved something during that day. I think we might just have to get a nice luck rag shot, man. Domo arigato, just true duplicato. We're about to get some serious pain going down on us, man. I think this is a good time. This is an opportune time to swag ready.
Quickly.
Conjure anything I damn well please. Ever read or heard of a goon? Oh, I know a goon. And we always kill the scary one. That's generally our technique. Now, he probably has Entomb, so he's going to run that puppy out, but... Oh! Such a cool animation. But that's when it's conjuring time. It's conjuring time.
You want it? I got it.
Ooh. Yeah. I think I want the Pyroblast, man. Whoo! Pyro! Hit me. And then don't even heal even.
Is someone injured?
Someone would be injured, wouldn't they? I'm okay with this.
Welcome to the exhibit. The damned stand ready.
Okay. So all you need to do is draw Flame Strike off the top. It's as easy as that. Look, I'm like in the middle of it when my powers kick into high gear. Victus, how are you? I'm good. You're still alive in Darkest Dungeon because I haven't played it in forever. Yes. Oh my god, I just got really dizzy. Oh my gosh.
I got it.
Oh, woo. Oh, I don't know what that was about. I don't know what that was about. Whew. Alright. Feeling a little better. Jeez.
I'll show them. I'll show them all.
Oh, man. I need some water after this break. Entomb? Alright. Okay.
Fools.
Google.
Ranks.
That's a solid turn. When'd you last eat? I ate before the show. Ooh. Drink a little water, man. Also, just generally speaking loudly does that. Evo, Lara, Tiger, Slicer, what is up? Welcome. And Spulks, 1181, Young Squiggle, Latch Game Dev. It was a ghost taking your energy, lol. It could have been, could have been. We're doing some kick-ass games tonight. I love this little deck here, man. Thrilled to hear it, Hunter, too. Thrilled to hear it. You made a Day Sailor emote.
I wonder.
Welcome to the Grand Tournament, champion.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, I want to be a sailor, baby. I don't think I'm ever gonna run Arcane Intellect.
You want it?
This is actually ideal. Lost a point of damage. Oh my god. Man, I'm still feeling a little lightheaded. Woo! And now someone needs to make a Day Sailor Moon emote. Alright. Let's see the Day Sailor Moon. Let's do it. Oh. Oh, and it should be Day Sea Man. I see what you're doing. I see that. Should go ahead and take a look at Day Seaman. Lord Vashi, 56 months! Jesus. 56 monthlies, man.
I must consider.
Embrace the void.
Embrace them. Embrace the. Embrace the. I'll take 2 of those.
Quickly.
I've gotta hurry up and choose. It's like really important even.
Crazy Chris, damn, I thought my 39 months were impressive. Yeah, 56, so many months. So many months. Legendary early subs include Worker, Catbird, Lord Vashi. I recognize that card. So I think what I'm going to do is just pull the BGH off the top. It works. Woo! What email should you send the emotes to? Sean at day9.tv. Oh, he's gonna steal my animated armor. Oh, that's tight. Sure glad I'm holding this card, man. Excuse me. This is so awesome. Oh man. The army. Let's see if the glitch happens where I get a huge monkey. Last light bomb gone. Youchers! Mage doesn't have a good way to deal with these two anymore. I mean, he can get ready for monkey time. We'll see if he gets a huge monkey. If you don't know what I'm talking about, when you draw the golden monkey, often the card that's drawn is just huge. I don't know why. His card is huge! I think we're gonna do this.
Who knows what secrets will
I don't think I really need anything else in here to get doubled up. Oh, he could have stolen that. It's very risky, dumb play. Now I think of that. I just really want to pyroblast him, dude. Although I have a plan. I have a plan, man. I want him to play one more nerd. I can flame the Straiku. Oh shit! He heals for a bunch, doesn't he? He heals for 1 billion. I should have killed this thing while I had my chance, man. Yeah, we might have screwed up and just lost right there. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Why not use the Arcane Intellect if you're sitting on the mana for it? Because I'm going to get a significant amount of damage through fatigue.
Death does not scare me.
Mental dislocator.
I'm almost out of cards.
I'm almost out of... Oh my god. Fatigo des. I'm still gonna finish him with this, you know. Made a little bit of errors in those last moments of last 4 or 5 turns. I'm gonna blame it on the lightheadedness. That's all. That's all we're gonna do. I need to move this light, man. This light's just way too bright. She got a job interview for a research position in a primate lab studying psychology. Any tips what to expect or ask during the interview? Dude, I have no idea, Baka Taco. I don't know, man.
I'm almost out of cards.
Sense have. I don't.
By the power of Ragnarok.
Plan has changed. Go for face. Always, always go for face. Face is the place. Face is the place. I was playing a grinder mage, and I went to face every single time. 4 arms, man. Bum. Come on, Goif. Goif. Is there a way to spectate the test of your game? Oh, the playtest after this. No, man. Like, the golden. Watch the draw. Watch how huge it is. Oh, it's a big card. Do you have a gel or diffuse on your light? Yeah, I do. It's monkey time.
Not too quickly.
I'm out of cards. Boom. Bam. Boom. Crunch. He has nothing. Nothing, I say. Do you think the aggro priest will ever be viable? I don't know.
Take this time to consider your past.
Something legendary. Something legendary. We're gonna kill with Pyroblast next turn, man. No taunts, though.
The Brotherhood shall prevail.
Hey. Having some fun? I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water really fast now. That's the button I'm gonna hit. So you don't see reality. Don't